On a lot of these balls, they're coming at a quick pace, but you guys have way more time than you think. So let's really try to think about showing this platform to the ball. I think pretty much all of our inconsistent touches that we're seeing right now, we're like, if Jake tosses me a ball, we're like surprising the ball, okay? Instead, let's really think about like showing that ball, our platform, as long and as early as we can. That way it knows what it's bouncing off of.